without educating the heart is no education at all. This is Gil Agustin Irico, a fresh 21-year-old stunner, proud, honored, and dignified to be your candidate number 3. I have the privilege to inspire other people to do more, become more, dream more, and earn more. Okay, our question for candidate number 3 will come from Mr. Lavin Matay. Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, candidate number 3. Okay, I have seen your video that you are an advocate of HIV/AIDS awareness. Granting that you will become a policymaker, you're advocating for increasing funds for HIV/AIDS programs in our country. However, policymakers are hesitant to allocate more resources due to competing budget priorities. What data or evidence would you present to make the case for increased investment in HIV/AIDS programs? And how would you frame your argument in terms of broader public health benefits?
Pardon, sir.
Okay. What data or evidence would you present to make the case for increased investment in HIV/AIDS programs? And how would you frame your argument in terms of broader public health benefits?
I will start my answer by inculcating into your minds the Latin phrase, condemnam quo non intelligam, which means they condemn what they do not understand. It is indeed observable fact that we are living in a society in which HIV is indeed a national emergency, in which the cases are getting younger and younger. That is why I will present the data from the Department of Health that the cases are getting younger and younger nowadays in order to increase the funds to support HIV awareness program. Standing in front of you is an HIV awareness advocate. And I strongly believe that by starting with myself as an education student, I will inflict positive changes in the community by inflecting the ABCs of HIV. A, which means for abstinence. B, which means be faithful. C, consistent utilization of condoms and contraceptives. D, which means discipline. And E, which is the most important of all, education. For awareness is the greatest agent of change. Good evening.
Thank you so much.
By our University President, Dr. Kanyasi.
Good evening, cadet number 3, and congratulations.
Good evening, sir.
So this is your question. BIPSU is committed on inclusive education. As a member of the LGBTQ+, what particular support, initiative, or program you'd like to ask from the university? Again, BIPSU is committed on inclusive education. As a member of the LGBTQ+, what particular support, initiative, or program you would like to ask from the university?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is a proud member of the LGBTQ plus community who has lost and experienced discrimination just because I chose to express who I am. That is why I am standing before you to ask for the support from the university to fully recognize LGBTQ plus community in terms of gender non-conforming uniforms and to express ourselves officially in the university. We've been asking this, sir, from the bottom of my heart to officially recognize those who identify themselves as women in the field of the LGBTQ plus people. That is why I am standing before you, because I strongly believe that everyone has the right to education, regardless of your gender, economic status, and religion. Because at the end of the day, Article 1 ng Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that lahat tayo ipinanganak ng malaya at pantay-pantay sa ngalan ng ating dignidad at sa aspeto ng ating mga karapatan. Magandang gabi po. Salamat.
Thank you.